to check in?
Last name?
Wheeler. Okay. Well, little Timmy could at least carry his own suitcase.
No thanks.
Let's open the window. What nice drapes and curtains. Nice bed covers. I wonder where these are made from.
Oh,
We make draperies for windows, we make bedding. We've done projects in Guam, down in the Caribbean, up in Canada.
Fabtex manufactures drapery and bedding products.
We make curtains and bedding for hotels.
We're a custom manufacturer, bedspreads and draperies.
What we do here at Fabtex is what I would call old school, right? You can actually do everything that we're doing at home.
When we have a project to do, there'll be cutters that cut it out.
So my job is a little bit of everything. Objective of the day is to make sure that everything that we need to do for the day gets done and gets done on time.
I can assure you, it looks like an easy process. It takes a ton of skill and talent.
This job was a career change for me. I had retired from my previous one that was completely different. I had spent decades in military and law enforcement. I found just as good people here as I worked with before. I wasn't sure if that was going to be the case. This is one of the few jobs I've ever had that I love coming to work every day.
I love my job.
We definitely are a big team here.
I am a part of the team. It takes everyone here to, from when the order comes in, we have to quote it, and then we manufacture it. And we manufactured the Best Western Country cover.